Hey guys, what's up? So today's video, it's been a kind of a project I've been trying to do for a while, and it's very interesting. I want to call it the silent vlog because of the fact that I'm not directly speaking towards you guys actually at all. I don't speak to you guys at all. It's more of just like kind of like watching me throughout my day and just kind of seeing what I do if there wasn't necessarily a camera to film. It'd be kind of like an off day vlog. Like if I was to take an off day, but still vlog it, this is kind of what it would look like. But hope you guys enjoy it. It's an interesting one. It's definitely an interesting one to edit. So hope you guys enjoy it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Wanna go, man, go flex, and a go, I'ma go. When I slide down the apple, not yours. We keep them on all fours. Break it down, rolling up, zone, no flex, zone. They know better, they know better.
Drum majors Preston Cheek and Andre Mathis. Is your corps ready?
They were born ready.
Performing their 2011 program, Rockstar. Drum Corps International is proud to present.
Oh God, why? Logan! I thought we were done, Logan! I was so done with the whole drama and shit. Why you gotta release another video? What you doing, fam? Bet you what's on Jake's channel too. Jake, please tell me you didn't do it. No, Luke. No, none of these kids knew who I was. Okay, Jake hasn't uploaded today. Good to know. I just need to park. Will somebody move? What the hell do you think you're doing, dog? It's Monday. Guys, I just need a parking spot. Cut it. Oops. Skirt. Time for some groceries. Who is Billy? Billy? I don't know you, Billy, but thanks for following me.
1 hour later.
Get my groceries. Stay. Now I got food to last me for about a couple of weeks. Why doesn't anyone know how to put the freaking cart back? Homie's just passed out on the ground over here. That's cool. Alright, where do I go next? I guess home.
If you want,
Ah!
wanna hit the road, then let's go, man. Let's go, man.
Alright, so guess what? Back
Oh,
on the
God,
video.
what the I don't want a reaction video. I wanted the real thing.
That's what she said.
I'll just look that up.
Let me just start off by saying I think my brother's an idiot. I'm always gonna have his back. It's
the rise of the pole. Now, eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Pick a YouTuber and roast him slow.
Life is only moving faster. Me and Logie about to hit Mach 1. Never stops. Only two ways to make it to the top. Chuck, second verse. No. It's the second verse.
Yo, little brother Jakey trying to roast me. What dog? You a puppy? Call your car. You got money? You got cars? You got a chick? Hold up. Things difficult. Help me help you. You still got my favorite hoodie and you need to give it back. My mama calls, she see on TV, some shit on train. And now they always say congratulations. Those wanna go to vacation. One more label try to stop me. It's gonna be some dread. You want the brother that you can do like that, ho? Hey, I am the one that don't even gotta give respect. Feel like I woke up here peaceful. Oh, I didn't know I had 60 videos posted. That's cool. Good song. Let's see. We're looking for good. Keep it marshmallow.
3 hours later.
New video out. There you go. Hey, I gained another subscriber. Now to post on.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow.